Can you go to the green one? No, no. Can you go on this sheet, the blue, green on your left?
This
Left
one?
top.
No. Yeah, this.
Yeah, just
This.
click on that. Yeah, click on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got.
And I think because you are in, can you go to layout? Can you go on top on that layout? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And you say orientation. Second one, orientation. Yeah, click on that. Just click. Yeah, and you say yeah.
Portrait. You want to do portrait or landscape is better for you?
No, because your message was so big, right?
Yeah.
Usually
So
we
that's
will do this in Excel. We never
uh-huh.
do in Word document because it's always easier to do in Excel. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay.
It's okay for you to do it in Word document, but always remember usually edit checks are in Excel.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do the third one. Let's do that each symptoms has to be separate. The query is not correct. So if you tell the site, if yes, then please explain in code list each symptom. The site will say what is the DM telling me?
Mm-hmm.
So this query is not correct message. So you come to the query message.
Mm-hmm. Just give me a
So
second.
your query message should be you're telling the site, for example, because this is fever and nausea, but as of now, this is a generic one you are making, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So,
Yeah. So just remove, yeah.
everything.
Yeah, you can keep symptoms.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you can keep the last line.
Okay.
Because you're telling the site that each symptoms has to be in separate line.
Uh-huh.
And then after that you write, please split.
Uh-huh.
The AE,
Oh.
the adverse event terms.
And this one here?
No, you just say please split and write. You just type and then you will read, you will understand. So you say please split.
Mm-hmm.
Please split the adverse event term. Just
Okay.
write it. Don't say full. Yeah, the adverse event term. Yeah. Try not to give A because site doesn't know what is AE. Okay.
Uh-huh. Oh,
So this
okay.
is your
Okay.
query message. So you should always never use abbreviation for site. So it's adverse event term.
Event.
Please, and then you just put a bracket because you don't know this when you are querying this is a manual query, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when you're querying it, you will write nausea plus vomiting, or if they have said nausea plus vomiting plus fever, then you will write that. But
Nausea.
you never write that in the query message
Oh,
because
okay.
this is a template you are doing. It could be something else, like it could be fever, headache, pain.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't know it. So what you do is you just keep the bracket for the DM to enter.
Okay.
So you
Like,
just say the term and you can color it as a red so that the DM enters. Yeah, you can put it as dot dot dot. That's fine.
okay.
So the DM usually knows. Usually we'll never give like dot 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 because for you dot 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 is a, so split the adverse event term and you can mention yeah enter the term as reported in the CRF and make it red.
Okay.
So but remember to make it red so that the data manager know that I have to go and change the query message.
Okay.
You
So
understand my point? Yeah.
yeah, like you have to make the term inside red color, right?
Yeah, no, it's not the red color. So you are telling this is a template you are making.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is what you will check every time for a study,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So it could be that when you're checking, you saw there's a term reported as nausea, fever, and vomiting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then you will put nausea, fever, and vomiting.
Okay.
Right? Never give red. Red in US, it's you shouting at them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, got it. Like whatever the
So
term.
you color them red because you want to know that you have to change this when you are querying it to the site.
Okay.
So
Now
if
all
you
right.
are not the data manager, if someone, I am the data manager, when I come to your message, I will know, okay, I have to, my eyes will go to the red and I know, okay, I have to change the red. But whenever I send the site, never use red.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. So just as you know, maybe because you in US, so bold, red, they,
Or like
yeah.
double inverted comma or something.
Yes. So yeah, you can use double inverted comma to put that, but never use red or any like bold like that because it has a culturally, it sometimes can have a different meaning.
Mhm.
Okay. And sometimes sites are usually sometimes these queries will be seen by doctors, investigators, and you know they have a lot of ego in themselves.
Yeah.
So they really don't like they really don't that's why I said the query message is very, very important for a data manager. Okay, so do you have the CRF that you had designed?
Yeah, I think I sent you that one, right?
No, do you have it
I
open?
sent-
Because you have missed a query and I want to go to the CRF so that I can explain you what you have missed.
Oh, CRF. Okay. Let me go now. It's the CRF.
Just
Let
go
me
to
see.
your just go to next to go to meeting, that tab, your WhatsApp go to meeting, and then click there plus sign.
Yeah, let me see. Where is WhatsApp? Yeah, here.
Yeah, go on the plus. Yeah, just click here. You should have Survey Gizmo here, right?
Yeah.
Just click Survey Gizmo here in that, no,
Yeah,
in
this
the
one.
URL. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Continue working. Say continue working. Correct.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. So you had a question. Correct. Go up. So you had a question. First, SPID is fine. Then you had a question. Is there any adverse event? Why did you keep it as option 1 and 2? It should be yes and no, right?
Yeah, that's why like for one is yes and another one is no. That's why
Yeah,
I put it.
correct. If you click on that. You should have changed that. Just click on that.
Okay.
Yes. Oh no, you just log in again. Yeah. Just say
Yeah,
log.
asking me what was that? Let me find my it's
No,
so
no,
many.
that's there. You saved it. So just click on that. What is coming? It's saved. Yep. Yeah.
Oh,
No. Yeah. Just click on that. Sindhu at Gmail. Next to after
yeah.
password. Click on that. Yeah. Now say login. It will log in. No, you have
No,
changed the password.
no, I changed, yeah, but it wasn't working actually first day. So I
Oh,
had to change it. Let me see, I have it. So
no worries. Okay. Then.
Second, okay, yeah, got it.
Yeah. Good.
No, thanks for now. And you, I think, yeah, this one we are doing it. No, not, yeah.
Yeah. So if you go to the next one, click on it.
Mhm.
Just click on that. Yeah. See, you were supposed to change the option 1 to yes.
Oh,
Change it.
okay.
Just say back. Just delete things. Yeah. And you say yes. Yeah. Capital Y always. Yeah.
Mhm. My caps is some
It's
like
okay. It's okay. You understand at least, right? So it always should be. Yeah. Always should be mixed case. Not also. Yeah. That's okay. And just say save. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. So yeah. So now you had missed one check. For example, what is this? Why did you put for what is the adverse event term? Why did you put a drop down?
It could be anything like
So
some
if it's
fever.
anything, yes, if it's click on it again.
Mhm.
Just click on double. Yeah. If it's anything, it's not a drop down. It's a free text. Can you go
Okay,
to that? Yeah.
okay.
There is a
And
text box. Yes.
yeah,
So this
this
one.
one. Okay.
Yes. So you say
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, I thought like they give you a lot of like different things, right?
No, no,
Fever.
no.
Okay.
No, that's why you will do coding. When we come to coding, this is a verbatim term that they will enter. We
Okay.
cannot give, because we don't know what will happen to the subject. Yeah.
Okay.
So now, yeah, okay. Ongoing also should be always yes and no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You collected start date. Usually, yeah, start time. It's very optional. If your sponsor says that you need to collect, you collect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. End time was also same. So time usually you don't, but ongoing, just click on it again.
And this
So
one?
you remember, yeah, click on it. You have to say it. Option 1 and 2 is yes and no.
Okay.
Usually ongoing, yeah. Usually we never say yes and no for ongoing. We just say, okay, don't give yes and no, just give yes. And this is not a mandatory question. So your required question, yeah, you can delete. Yeah, click on that.
I did. I
Yeah,
forgot to change the no.
no worries. It is not a required question because how can it be required question? If end date is there, you will not have ongoing.
Yeah.
So it's if you click on that ongoing again.
Oh, it's again it's showing. Okay, I didn't save it maybe.
No. First delete this. On your right, there is a trash bin. Yes, this is correct. And can you go on top? There's a required this question. Required this question. That should be unchecked. Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then you
And
save the form. Yeah, because this is an edit check.
okay.
I don't know why your yes is not, no is not going, but anyway.
Yeah.
If you keep yes and no, then it will become a required question. But otherwise, no. End date is always not a required question. You have done that also mistake. So if you go up, end date, if you click on end date, it's not a required question, right? If ongoing is yes, it's not required.
So
So you
I
have
can
to, yes, because this will
undo.
be an edit check done by your programmer. So say save question. Never mind if you do it goes off. Yeah. Save question. Yeah. Okay. Time, as I said, you usually don't. Okay. Severity, you shouldn't have kept it as free. Severity as C dash has list. Like it has mild, moderate, severe. You did not check that there is a for the severity there should be.
Yeah, there is, but I thought like maybe they want to explain what severe like, so that's why I didn't put it that. Yeah, so
No,
I
so
think
the explanation what they give for what if severe, they will put it in the in your protocol to say if they want to say what is severe, what is moderate. So they will always explain it in your protocol.
okay. So it's a drop down.
Yes, so it's a drop down. So usually we say mild, moderate, severe like that.
And then if death happened, so here also I have to write yes and no then, right?
Yeah. So okay. Do you have your, because I wanted to, the severity, no, death. Yeah, usually we will, death, we will not ask like this. Where is your outcome? Do
Okay.
you have an outcome? Say
Like,
save. Death will be all, if you say yes and no, it should be always required.
okay.
But usually we will never design death like this. Can you go down?
Okay.
Okay.
Outcome is at the end.
Yes. Did you look into the Excel sheet? So the SDTM, do you have it open? Do you have it with you?
SDTM, let's see. This one?
This
This is
is the
the one.
document, but where's the Excel that you had for the code list?
Yeah, it doesn't open on my thing, so I don't know. I can open here,
Can you
right?
go?
Because
Can you see my email? If you can go to
yeah,
your email and open that, it should open
yeah.
up my email.
Because I tried in your email, it didn't work.
Okay, let me try to send you in WhatsApp.
I'll open my email too. Let's see. Gmail was open.
I just send you a WhatsApp. Can you open the WhatsApp from WhatsApp? Just go to
Oh,
your WhatsApp. Yeah, I just now sent you again, so you don't have to search.
okay.
Didn't come.
No. Let
Strange.
me.
It's going. It's going with just going
Okay.
because the document is big, right? So
Mhm.
I don't know if you had found. Usually, yeah, these things you should keep it hand. Just see if you can find it in the email because I have.
Yeah, actually, I tried to like download, but it didn't work. So that's why I'm like open the SDTM and then I go and go to the file,
Yeah,
right?
that's fine. But then and because the Excel you will not easily find in SDTM. So just check on your inbox only my email. Then you should. Okay, it's taking time to send you through the.
Maybe it's a big document, right? So yeah, let's. Roy. Yeah, I haven't received yet.
The last one.
Yeah, this is the
No,
last
don't
last
open
time.
that. Don't open that one. Just open that email.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, just open the email. Just don't. Yeah.
Yeah, see it's let me move these things.
No, no, not this document at all. See that I'm talking about. See, can you just go back? Can you go back to your emails?
Yeah. You see, I
Yeah,
have
that email, last email, correct? The last email. Can you just click on the email because this is not the document, the next one. Can you click on the +4 written?
this one, right? No?
Yeah, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down.
These
Yeah,
are the
yeah, SDTM. Yeah, click on that.
Mhm.
Click on that. Yeah, just say okay.
See,
Yeah.
it's opening like this.
No, no, it's correct. So because you have not downloaded it, now click on download here on your right. On
Yeah.
your right top. Yeah, yeah. The next one. Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Click on that. No, I don't know where you went. Where is your cursor? Come up.
Yeah. Yeah, I opened.
Yes. See, it's opening.
Yeah, it's a big,
So you
huge.
should
Yeah.
always download it. So if you go to code list name and you filter, go to the
Okay.
filter here, code list name, the
Code
third
list
one.
code.
No, the
Code.
third name.
Yeah.
Filter on
Yeah.
it. Click on the filter. Yeah. And you write on the search button, search,
Where is the
search.
search?
Yeah. Write severity, SEVERITY.
Yeah.
And you go down, keep going down in that. The list has come. Now go down. Yeah, go down, just slide down. Yeah.
No, my system sometimes it doesn't touch and doesn't work. Okay, CVRT response.
Can you just, yeah, the last one. Can you just go up now? Can you go up first? You have to say all, you have to none all of them, and then you have to come down. Go
Yeah.
up little bit. Yeah. Click all selected. Next to that, there's a minus, right?
Yeah, all selected.
Click on that. Click on that. Yeah. Click again on that. 1 minute. Don't clear filter. Click on that. Yeah. Come down now. Come down now. Yes. Now click on severity. Yeah. Last one. Yes.
Mhm.
Say yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
I
It was
don't want.
correct. I don't want
So
this.
rest.
Yeah. Correct. Correct. Come out.
Okay.
Don't say anything. Come out. No.
Okay.
Don't say clear filter. Correct. Yes. So for your severity, this was. So you are asking me definition, right? CDISC has given definition.
Okay. Mhm.
So they have given you mild, moderate, severe, and they said that this code list is extensible is no.
Mhm.
Okay. If you are using severity, you have to use mild, moderate, severe.
Okay.
You don't give definitions because the definitions of mild, moderate, severe is defined, and if in the protocol also, usually they define it.
Okay.
So always remember, that's why this Excel is very important for you, because whenever you're defining something, you will come here and search for it. So if you go
Okay.
back to your CRF design, so your severity should have been mild, moderate, severe.
Mhm.
Some sponsor will say they want like grade 1, 2, 3. That's why they have given another option. But usually they've put mild, moderate, severe.
So where did it go? My
It
severity.
should be up.
Yeah.
Yeah, severity, yes.
Here,
So
right?
drop, yeah, correct.
Oh, so we can fill
Usually
it out.
yeah, usually we design it as a radial button because easier for the site to see if you go up.
Okay.
Go up. Yeah, click on there. You will have radial buttons. The first one, yes.
Okay.
And then come down and you say click here. Click to add option. Click.
Yeah.
Yes, and say mild. M-I-L-D, mild.
Mhm.
Yeah, the next one, click. No. Don't add another. Yeah, yeah. Moderate. And another severe.
And
Yeah,
then
that's all. And then save question. Yeah.
okay.
Okay, so severity should be mild, moderate, and severe.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. Then go down. You have. Let's do outcome and then.
Mhm. We can take out. Do you want me to take out the death one or
No,
we
you
can?
can keep it. We can talk about it. Yeah. Good.
So what outcome should be? Text I
So
wrote.
usually outcome. Outcome, we put it as like recovered. Okay,
Mhm.
1 second. That's why I was trying to see what is the CDISC term, so I can easily. So go to the filter again, go to CDISC,
Okay, CDISC. The
Excel. You should
mm,
have the Excel downloaded with you. Yeah.
mm.
Yes. Good. Okay. Same thing. Go to the code list name. No, the filter you had. Yes. Correct. Yeah. Type there. You type there as what is it called? Outcome. OUT. Outcome. COME.
Mhm.
Come.
Mhm.
Uh, outcome of sorry, I'm just seeing yours and I'm getting them. 1 second. It's outcome of event.
Event, yeah.
Correct. No. Now
Oh,
you will no. Click on that. Yes. Correct. Done. Come out. Don't do
okay.
anything. Come out. Yes. Okay. So this is
Mhm.
your option for outcome of event. Whether it's
Mhm.
fatal. Fatal is death.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So
Mhm.
that's why usually we will never. So C dash has that question, whether you want to ask, is there in death? Is there this? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was following. So I
Yeah,
think,
so
yeah.
it's correct. It's correct. I'm not saying it's wrong, but usually what we will do, we will move outcome first, and if they say fatal, then we will ask date of death.
Okay.
Okay, so your outcome of event should have been like this: fatal, not recovered,
Mm.
recovered. Yeah,
Oh.
and then you also have to remember that now this is coming to edit check. We will
Mhm.
come to that later. So first, let's do the outcome.
Okay.
So if you go to back to your CRF design.
Mhm. Yeah, here.
Correct. So again, usually we will keep it as a radial box. You can keep it as a text box. I'm not saying it's a error, but usually radial box, you can see all the option together. It's easier, right?
Uh-huh.
So
Mhm.
okay, you came out, but you're out. You should have saved your outcomes, the options. Yeah, click on outcome. Last one. You have put it as a last question.
Oh, yeah, it didn't go.
Yeah,
Okay.
click on it. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Click. No. This is fine. Now this is done. This is correct. Go here on the click to add option.
mhm.
Yeah, and you can copy it from the Excel.
Okay. You want me to do it now or I can do it later?
You can just write one recovered so you know. Yeah. So, but you should correct this later. Yeah. And another option recovering.
Mm, still
Yeah.
recovering.
So it's in Sirash it's called as recovering, not still recovering or resolving they say, but you
Okay.
just say recover. Yeah. I think for now you just do this too. Later we will see.
Okay.
Just save it but later you should correct it and resend me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Let's
Yeah.
take this up. This question should go up.
Oh, this should go up. Okay. Before death.
Yes.
Okay. Let me move these because I can't see these.
Yeah. Go down. You
Yeah.
just say move. Click on that move.
Mhm.
Yeah. Just click on move. Yeah. Move to. You can select that. You can select that. You don't have to go there.
Here.
Yes. Click there. No. You had
Oh,
got that thing. Go.
yeah.
Never mind. Say never mind.
Never mind. Yeah.
Go down
Yeah.
on
I
the
was.
outcome
I
question.
took out one and then now, yeah, this
No.
one.
One minute. Say move. And
Uh-huh.
then you see this drop down, right? Click on
Yeah.
that. So you want to move it after what? You want to move it after end date.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm,
so here after end date, AE end that. Yes.
did I
So
do
now
in this?
yeah. So you don't have to bother. Now it has moved up.
Okay. Yeah.
So it has come here. See.